damn it. Oh shit, the comp is comping. We running it down. We running it down. Sorry to do it mid game. Soul. This guy. Oh, Apollo, you are so deep. The big torch open is wild. Well, we both banned Cap, and I thought we had somebody to take care of him, but... It doesn't look like it now. Oh my god.
I am ready to put on a show.
Oh, he wants me so bad. Oh my god. I'm blind. I cannot see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. A song about a clay man trying to make his perfected self, but tearing him down until he embraces who he is. What are you? Hello? Oh, is that the Good Kid song? I was like, what? It's a good song this time, I swear. In the middle of my comp game? Brother. Bruv. Hold on. You gotta wait until halftime.
You stopped them in their tracks.
We've been discovered.
Pero I will literally pocket you if I have to. Oh, no! I literally just said I was gonna pocket him and I let him die. Oh. Well. I was playing with my boyfriend on All in Silver and played Torch, and God, it was just bullying. I mean, if you have a Hela or a Punisher that can just beam you down like with good aim, I mean it's oh. I mean it's over, you know. I think I requested that one before, probably. So I was sorry to do it when you have the chance. I just wanted to redeem it. It's fine. It's fine. I got you. Oh.
I am ready to put on a show.
Oh my god. Oh, what? Okay. Alright, cool. I love Hawkeye. God damn it. That fucking sucks. That fucking sucks. Don't take off if he just aim like that. Man, die! Oh my god. Oh no.
Just don't aim for it, it's fine.
Oh.
Come back.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
That's very unfortunate. My ult just got fucking ripped. It was silver? You think those babies can aim? No. I forget there's no bans in low elo. Okay, okay.
Watch out, we got Star-Lord flanking left.
Only 60 seconds left.
There it is.
Oh my god. Okay, alright. I didn't have a jump either! Okay, I'm gonna fucking crash out.
Oh, did you see that? Shields up.
You know what?
Magneto have ult.
Always afraid of Ty, but they just don't know him.
Ah! I'll pocket you if I have to. Looks away and instantly dies. Literally, I'll look away for 1 second. Like,
30 seconds.
I have 18 seconds. Huge. Nice. I didn't get to the
Great
end.
hold.
Good job. Yay! Cat cafe time! I want pictures! I want pictures! I want pictures! I want pictures! One game in, about to crash out. It's because they banned Rocket. I hate it here. Well, should I go back to... I think I'm gonna just try this for a bit. We'll try it. Yeah, we'll try it. Whiffy, how many heals you got? Alright, Summer by Good Kid. Yeah, whatever. Oh, she got it. I showed it.